Hello and welcome. I would like to explain you a little bit about communication profiles within OfficeExpert. So what is the purpose of communication profiles and how they are being configured basically. So communication profiles can be found underneath of settings and profiles. There are two tabs, account profiles and communication profiles. So communication profiles is the topic of this video, so therefore we switch to communication profiles. So let's open up here an existing one. So basically communication profiles are only used for alerting configurations, which are covered by a different video. And without having a communication profile, you cannot configure an alerting. So communication profile is a core component which you need to configure first before you can configure alerting. So configuring the profile itself is pretty simple. You give it a name. You give it the FQDN name of the SMTP gateway you want to use. So in that particular case, the Office 365 mail gateway, followed by the port. And depending on the SMTP gateway, you need to configure here, or you need to select here certain checkboxes. So you see here some tooltip information, what each of these items are meant. For Office 365, authentication is sufficient, providing with username and password and with a sender address. Whenever you save that one, then you get the communication profile listed here on the left hand side. What you need to do in addition then is to hit this deploy communication profiles button, because this makes sure that the backend Node-RED framework is being notified in regards to this new communication profile. So just configure all your communication profile, hit the deploy communication profiles, and then you can start configuring your alerting configuration basically. So that's it. Thank you.